Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your wallet, and realizing the most iconic premium credit card in the world just went through the biggest refresh in its history. That's right, the American Express Platinum Card isn't just getting a small upgrade. This is a complete overhaul that could completely change the way you think about luxury travel, lifestyle perks, and everyday rewards. If you thought the Amex Platinum was already packed with value, just wait, because the changes coming are unlike anything we've seen before. And the best part, these updates are 100% confirmed. So if you've ever thought about getting the Platinum, or if you already carry it, you'll want to hear every detail of this refresh, because it might just be the most important update in credit card history. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the massive Amex Platinum refresh that's shaking up the world of premium credit cards. We'll cover what's changing, what it means for current cardholders, and whether this new package of benefits is worth the higher annual fee. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if the refreshed American Express Platinum Card belongs in your wallet in 2025. Before we dive into the new features, let's set the stage. The Amex Platinum Card has long been seen as the gold standard, well, technically platinum standard, for travelers and high spenders. It's known for perks like Centurion Lounge access, airline fee credits, hotel elite status, and a long list of lifestyle benefits. But here's the thing, credit card competition has been heating up. Chase, Capital One, and Citi have all been stepping up their premium cards with fresh benefits and massive rewards. That put pressure on American Express to not only keep up, but to stand out. And now, in what Amex is calling the biggest refresh in history, they've unveiled a set of changes that truly raise the bar. So, what exactly is changing? Let's break it down. Expanded travel credits. Instead of only focusing on airline fee credits, Amex Platinum will now offer a flexible $400 annual travel credit. That means you can use it on flights, hotels, or even vacation packages booked directly through Amex Travel. This is a game changer because it makes the card much more versatile for all kinds of travelers. New dining benefits. Cardholders will now get up to $300 in annual dining credits, split across top restaurants, delivery apps, and select food experiences. Considering how much people spend on food, this alone adds a ton of real-world value. Subscription credits. In the digital age, everyone has subscriptions. Amex knows this, and now Platinum members will receive up to $240 annually for digital subscriptions like streaming services, wellness apps, and even certain online learning platforms. Enhanced lounge access. The card already has some of the best lounge access in the game, but Amex is now expanding access to even more luxury lounges worldwide, plus priority reservations at Centurion lounges. Upgraded hotel benefits. Amex has partnered with even more luxury hotel brands, giving Platinum card holders automatic elite status upgrades and extra perks, like late checkout and free breakfast. These are just some of the confirmed highlights. But as you can see, the refresh is designed to touch every part of your lifestyle, not just travel. Now here's the part that always sparks debate, the annual fee. The Amex Platinum already had one of the highest fees in the credit card industry, and with this refresh, it's going even higher. The annual fee is confirmed to rise to $795. But here's the catch. If you fully maximize all these credits, you're actually getting over $1,500 in value back every single year. Of course, the real question is whether the average person will use these perks fully. For frequent travelers, luxury seekers, or high spenders, this is still a no-brainer. But for casual users, it may feel overwhelming or underutilized. So, is the refreshed American Express Platinum Card right for you? Let's simplify. If you travel multiple times a year, especially internationally, the enhanced lounge access and travel credits are huge. If you dine out often or use food delivery, the new dining credits alone cover a good chunk of the fee. If you already pay for subscriptions, those credits become easy money back. But if you're someone who rarely travels and doesn't care for luxury perks, this card may not be worth the hefty price tag. The Platinum Card isn't for everyone, but for the right person, The refresh makes it more powerful than ever before. This really is the biggest Amex Platinum refresh in history. We're talking about more travel credits, more dining perks, lifestyle benefits that actually match modern spending, and an expanded network of lounges and hotels. Yes, the annual fee is higher, but Amex has clearly made the case that the value outweighs the cost. So the question becomes, do you want to be part of this next era of premium credit cards? If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on major updates in the world of credit cards, investing, and finance. I'll be covering more deep dives like this, so stay tuned. And let me know in the comments, do you think the refreshed Amex Platinum is worth it?